And welcome back to Sutty Live. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at how you can split out your audio in OBS and save different sources under different audio tracks for editing. As you can see, we've got a few separate audio sources that we're going to separate out into different tracks. So if we right click on the equalizer and choose Advanced Audio Properties, we can start to decide which of these sources we want to land on each track. Everything needs to hit track number 1 because that's going to be the audio channel that you use for streaming. Then we add an additional one. So we've got background music on 6, we've got Discord comms on 3, we've got game audio on 2, we've got microphone audio on 3, and then any special effects like alerts and such will land on track number 5. So now we need to make sure that all of those tracks are going to get recorded. Go to the recording tab under output. Track 1 will already be recorded, but we need to tick 1 through 6. Something else that I like to do, which can be useful, is actually name the tracks. So track 1 is your live track. This is what gets streamed. Track 2 is game audio. 3 is microphone audio. Track 4 is your Discord and comms. Track 5 is what we used for effects, such as alerts and such. And track 6 is where we land the background music. Now we're just going to start a sample recording so that we've got something to look at in the editor. For this example, we're using DaVinci Resolve. Once we drag the recording in, you can now see that you've got 6 separate audio tracks. This allows you to edit the volume. You might want to get individual clips. You might want to blank some of the sound out. Makes it very, very helpful. I hope this has been useful. See you on the next one.